The St. Lucia Football Association (SLFA) is taking significant steps toward professionalizing its leagues in compliance with FIFA's mandate for member associations to be licensed to participate in tournaments. The SLFA recently hosted a crucial 2025 Concacaf club licensing workshop to guide its members through this process. Leanne Lopez, Professional Football Development Administrator at Concacaf, applauded the SLFA and its member clubs for their proactive efforts to help local leagues achieve semi-pro status.
I think it was an incredible success and is a testament to the dedication and drive that the SLFA and all of its clubs have to implement club licensing. And with club licensing as a catalyst for growth and progression to professionalized leagues, it's a huge monumental step in making the clubs more professional, for driving more change and creating a healthy competitive environment here at the SLFA.
Henix Joseph, the Public Relations Officer of the Castries South Football League, underscored the importance of such courses in the overall evolution of local clubs.
It was really and truly to put the icing on the cake as to why, how, why, what it is that has to be done, and the importance of doing it. Because if we do not do it, then you have a situation where some of your clubs, that you as a club, if you were to win or anything like that, you would not even be able to participate in any form of regional or even a national competition. So it's very, very important that people now get this thing done. Clubs, get yourself licensed, commit, and do what is necessary in order for us to step up football in St. Lucia.
Tamika Paul, a representative of the Roseau Valley Football Club, expressed excitement that her league is receiving assistance to obtain official club status through CONCACAF's digital football management system known as the Competition Management Tool, COMET.
This workshop was to bring the leagues, which will soon be clubs, up to date with the COMET platform. The platform is a CONCACAF tool used to professionalize and register the semi-pro clubs and leagues. I was happy to be a part of this workshop because it's going to bring my club up to date with what's coming in the future.
CONCACAF's COMET is a comprehensive digital system designed to manage all facets of football operations. Its functions range from player registration and transfers to club licensing and competition scheduling, ultimately increasing efficiency across the region's football administration. Gina Filippi, HDS News Force.